Hey, what's up? So this is a run through AutoRig Pro add-on for Blender. How to rig your character in under a minute. Select all your stuff. Go to AutoRig Pro Smart. Get selected objects and select full body for a full body rig, or if you want facial rig. I want full body. I will add a neck. Put it to a neck. I will add a chin. Put it on the chin. Shoulders. I will add wrists. Hand tips. And I will put spine root, which is at the end of a spine, and I add ankles. That's about it. Click go. The AutoRig Pro will make this rig. I will check if everything fits. Fingers, head, shoulders, looking good. So I will match the rig and it will create this amazing looking thing. I will go back to object mode, select all my objects and then the rig, and I will go to skin and bind. I will wait a second, and that's all it's to it. Now I can go to the pose mode and I can make her dance. Yeah, boy, that's all it's to it. I made this tutorial because I didn't really find any super quick tutorial. Free tutorial has like 40 minutes, so if you are in a pinch, this is all you have to do to get really quick rig with AutoRig Pro. It's not sponsored. I use the add-on pretty often, so that's why I did this. So that's all. Peace.